Welcome to the Atosa Trademark Training Series. This video is designed to teach the end user how to use the fast cooling down mode. Fast cooling down function makes the oven cool down rapidly by activating the fan with the door open. This function is good for times when the user has been baking at a high temperature and the unit needs to cool to a lower temperature to complete the cooking process or to cook at a lower temperature. From the operations mode, select the fast cooling down icon to enter the mode. There are three fast cooling down modes to choose from. Cooling down for low temperature, 122 degrees. Cooling down for steam, cooking at 212 degrees. When you choose either of the low or steam cooling, the selected icon will turn green. After the icon changes to green, select the start icon on the bottom right of the screen. When selecting the cooling down for a custom temperature, you will need to input a cooling down temperature. Enter the temperature by dragging along the bar, pressing the plus or minus, or press the temperature display and then input the temperature desired. Once selected, press the OK and then select the check mark to set. Then select the start icon on the bottom right of the screen. The Open the Door display will show up on the unit and it will beep to remind you to open the door. When the cooling down is in process, the screen will display the following. If you need to stop the process, press and hold the stop button on the bottom right of the screen and the process will stop. Once the unit is cooled down to the temperature setting, the fast cooling completed display will show up and then the unit will beep and remind you that the cooling process is complete.